The Middle Eastern skies are a dynamic chessboard of military power, where every move is closely watched and every advantage fiercely contested. In this region, air superiority is not just a matter of pride, it's a matter of survival. The vast deserts and rugged mountains below are silent witnesses to a new era of aerial warfare, where technology, strategy, and national ambition intersect in dramatic fashion. Modern air power has become the linchpin of military strategy, shaping the balance of power and influencing the outcome of conflicts before ground forces even engage. The roar of jet engines and the precision of advanced avionics now define the tempo of battle, making air dominance a critical objective for every nation in the region. At the heart of this aerial contest are two remarkable fighter jets, Israel's F-35I Adir and China's J-10C Vigorous Dragon. These aircraft are more than just machines, they are the embodiment of two distinct philosophies of aerial combat, each representing the technological aspirations and strategic priorities of their respective nations. The F-35I, a variant of the American F-35 Lightning II, is designed with stealth at its core. Its radar-absorbing coating, advanced sensors, and network data systems allow it to operate undetected, gather critical intelligence, and strike with precision. For Israel, the F-35I is not just a fighter, it's a force multiplier, enabling the nation to maintain a technological edge over its adversaries. In contrast, the J-10C Vigorous Dragon, developed by China and now eyed by Iran, emphasizes agility, speed, and raw firepower. Its powerful engines and advanced missile systems make it a formidable opponent in close-quarters dogfights and high-speed intercepts. The J-10C's design reflects a doctrine that values flexibility and rapid response, making it a potent tool for nations seeking to challenge established air powers. Iran's potential acquisition of the J-10C could dramatically alter the regional power balance. With this advanced jet in its arsenal, Iran would gain new capabilities, setting the stage for a technological showdown with Israel, and raising the stakes in an already volatile region. The shifting alliances and arms deals underscore how quickly the dynamics of power can change. This comparison between the F-35I and J-10C is not just a technical exercise. It reflects deeper questions about military doctrine, strategic planning, and the willingness of nations to invest in cutting-edge technology. Each jet is a statement of intent, a signal to friends and foes alike about the future direction of their air forces. To truly understand the future of air warfare in the Middle East, it is essential to examine these jets in detail. Their capabilities, limitations, and the doctrines that guide their use will shape the security landscape for years to come, influencing not only military outcomes but also diplomatic relations and regional stability. In this analysis, we will explore the technologies that set these jets apart, the strategies that define their use, and their real-world performance in the skies. We'll look at how each platform is integrated into broader military doctrines and what that means for the future of aerial combat. By examining their strengths and weaknesses, we can assess which platform holds the decisive edge, and what that means for the next chapter in the ongoing contest for control of the Middle Eastern skies. The F-35I Adir, known as the Mighty One, represents the pinnacle of Israel's air power. This advanced fighter is a uniquely customized version of the American F-35A, specifically adapted to meet the demanding operational requirements of the Israeli Air Force. Israel's defense industry has worked closely with Lockheed Martin to tailor the F-35I for the unique challenges of the Middle East, ensuring it can operate effectively in one of the world's most complex and contested airspaces. The Adir's stealthy design is a game-changer, minimizing radar detection and allowing Israeli pilots to slip past enemy defenses undetected. This capability is crucial for deep strike missions and intelligence gathering, where surprise and survivability are paramount. Inside the cockpit, pilots benefit from cutting-edge integrated sensors and a 360-degree helmet-mounted display, giving them unparalleled situational awareness. This technology allows them to track multiple threats, coordinate with other aircraft, and make split-second decisions in the heat of battle. What truly sets the F-35I apart are its unique Israeli modifications. The Adir is equipped with an advanced electronic warfare suite, developed domestically, that can jam enemy radars, disrupt communications, and counter sophisticated missile threats from regional adversaries. The jet's internal weapons bay is specially configured to carry a range of Israeli-made munitions, including precision-guided bombs and air-to-air missiles. By storing weapons internally, the Adir maintains its stealth profile, reducing the risk of detection during critical missions. The F-35I Adir is not just a technological marvel, it is also combat-proven. Israeli pilots have flown successful missions across the Middle East, often bypassing some of the world's most advanced air defense systems and returning safely to base. This real-world experience gives Israel a decisive edge, ensuring its air force remains one of the most capable and respected in the region. The J-10C Vigorous Dragon is a key asset in China's air force, excelling in traditional combat roles. Its design emphasizes agility, with advanced avionics and powerful weaponry. The J-10C's AESA radar enhances situational awareness and missile guidance. Equipped with the PL-15 missile, it poses a threat in long-range engagements. However, its engine reliability and lack of stealth are notable challenges. Despite its capabilities, the J-10C remains visible to modern air defenses. The F-35I and J-10C embody different air combat doctrines, highlighting a generational divide. The F-35I's stealth allows it to operate undetected, prioritizing information dominance. In contrast, the J-10C focuses on agility and kinematic performance for dogfighting. The F-35I sensors detect threats before the J-10C can react, dictating engagement terms. The J-10C's agility is advantageous in close combat, but the F-35I avoids such scenarios. The F-35I's electronic warfare suite and situational awareness provide a decisive edge. This generational gap underscores the F-35I's superiority in modern air combat. Combat performance is the ultimate test, and the F-35I excels with a proven track record. The Israeli Air Force has used the Adir in complex operations, penetrating advanced defenses. This experience refines tactics and enhances operational effectiveness. The J-10C lacks combat experience, introducing uncertainty about its true capabilities. Iran's interest in the J-10C highlights its need for a modern fighter, despite its unproven status. The F-35I's combat experience provides Israel with a significant advantage. Proven performance often triumphs over theoretical potential in air warfare. Modern air combat relies heavily on electronic warfare and sensor capabilities. The F-35I's sensor fusion provides a comprehensive view of the battle space. Its integrated systems allow pilots to make informed tactical decisions. The Adir's electronic warfare suite is designed to counter regional threats effectively. The J-10C's systems are less integrated, increasing pilot workload. Its electronic warfare capabilities are more traditional, lacking the F-35's sophistication. The F-35I can jam and target the J-10C without revealing its position. The Adir's multi-domain capabilities give it a significant edge in electronic warfare. The F-35I and J-10C are more than just advanced fighter jets. They are symbols of their country's ambitions and influence in the global arms market. Their presence at international arms expos and trade shows highlights the fierce competition among nations to secure lucrative defense contracts and expand their strategic reach. The F-35, with its cutting-edge technology and high price tag, is often seen as the gold standard for modern air forces. However, its significant cost means that only the wealthiest nations, or those with close ties to the United States, can afford to add it to their fleets. This exclusivity has made the F-35 a symbol of both technological superiority and political alignment. Israel's acquisition of the F-35I Adir not only enhances its military capabilities but also reinforces its strategic partnership with the U.S. The deal represents a deep level of trust and cooperation, ensuring Israel maintains a qualitative edge in a volatile region. In contrast, the J-10C is designed to be a more accessible option for countries seeking to modernize their air forces without the financial burden of Western jets. Its lower cost and solid performance make it an appealing choice for nations with tighter defense budgets, or those looking to diversify their military suppliers. This affordability has already attracted buyers like Pakistan, which has integrated the J-10C into its air force to boost its capabilities. Other countries, such as Bangladesh, are also considering the J-10C as a practical solution to their defense needs, balancing cost with modern technology. Iran's interest in the J-10C further demonstrates how arms sales can reflect deeper geopolitical shifts. By turning to China for advanced military hardware, Iran signals a move away from Western influence and a strengthening of its ties with Beijing. The rivalry between the F-35I and J-10C is not just about technology or price, it's about shaping alliances and influencing the balance of power. Each jet becomes a tool of diplomacy, used to forge new partnerships or reinforce existing ones. Ultimately, every arms deal tells a story of national priorities, strategic calculations, and the ever-evolving landscape of global power. The choices countries make between the F-35I and J-10C reveal much about their future ambitions and the alliances they hope to build. The F-35I Adir holds a decisive advantage over the J-10C Vigorous Dragon. Its stealth, sensor fusion, and combat experience define its superiority. The F-35I's invisibility allows it to dictate engagement terms, achieving first-kill capability. The J-10C's agility is impressive, but it cannot match the F-35I's technological edge. The Adir's combat record provides invaluable operational wisdom. The J-10C remains unproven in real combat scenarios. The F-35I represents a paradigm shift in air power, leveraging invisibility as a weapon. In any future showdown, the F-35I's edge is clear and defining.